What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're live today. I'm gonna send this out on the live stream on for Discord group. Yesterday was an absolute banger, and you can see what happened yesterday. Throughout yesterday, price sold off aggressively. I didn't expect this much move, but we had news yesterday, and yeah, that was what happened. And yeah, I think I kind of missed today's entry because we had a very entry today. Okay, yeah, let's just use this as a break of structure. The price hasn't come back to mitigate us, but I'll keep this aside and talk about it today. This was my initial take profit, but price rallied down all the way to 140 pips as we sent on the Signal group or Signal Telegram group, anyone you can call it. So, let me know if I'm streaming. Okay, I'm streaming, yeah. So, yeah, that's it. This week has been pretty much uh, profitable. This was our Monday trade. Tuesday, stop loss with one pip stop loss. I was paying on this day. Wednesday, break even on this one, TP on this one, and then Thursday, bam. And today is Friday. I'm looking for an opportunity to go long. Um, Let me check the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, the 15 minutes time frame. I'm looking for an opportunity to go long on this point of interest. I should know that for her. Looking for an opportunity to go on this POI. If price comes back below here, then we can look for buying opportunities at this level. You can't use instant execution to execute trade from this level because it has huge stop, each pip be different, which is 5 pips. And 5 pips plus our stop loss, which is 20 pips. We're getting, yeah, we're getting here. But if you go up here, okay, we can still cover here. But I wouldn't want to go in at this point. I want it to come back a little bit, and then we can look at it. So yes, this week has been pretty much profitable. And honestly, I won't be trading today. I won't be trading live today. I'll just do a live stream today, and then continue my trading on Monday. Why I stretched to this level? Because I called in live stream 1 is to 2.5, but on Telegram group we called 140 pips on Telegram group. Let me know if I can share with you guys. But I believe that anyone in this live stream knows my Telegram group, so no need. You can go check it out. We're not that big of a community to not know the people that has been streaming with us. So yes, this price might have left us, but that is by the way. One moment. Also, as I was saying, I think my lighting is dark. As I was saying, if I can get a little bit of pullback from this point of interest, I'll be moving in long on this trade, at least for the signal sake. But for entry sake, I'm not taking any entry on this. This candle has only 6 minutes for it to close. If it closes, we'll see what we got. Yeah. If it closes, let's see what we have. it doesn't pull back to us, rise to our take profit. That is it. So from the water perspective, price has already changed the trend, and this thing we're entering is what we call counter trend. This huge momentum shows that price has changed the trend and it's not ready to continue its push to the upside. And with this, okay, to take this level, it can't respect this 1 hour. It can't. It has to take it away. Let's see what DXY is doing. See, I called this one on tools yesterday on DXY. I called this one on DXY, and yeah, we got our take profit. And price only took one external liquidity and pinned the other external liquidity without taking it out. And if this is your first time of coming to my stream, you can check my YouTube channel and see how I trade. I pretty much explained everything on how I used to trade. Yeah. So if DXY is going to push down and take this low and take this low also, which is G is going to push up. You know, DXY always do the opposite of what we or of what GP is. If GP is buying, that means DXY has to be selling, and that is what is happening here. This structure now that we have here today, XY is always selling, but GBP is pushing up and up. So I think that price wants to reverse all everything that it has done yesterday. They want to reverse even up to the entry point, which we are going to use as our external liquidity. This point, one, two, and three. Using them as our external liquidities. I'm not saying that we're going to take price up to that place because today is NFP and I want to know what NFP will have for us. So yeah, I don't think GP is going to come back anytime soon. It's not going to come back to this point of interest. So entry point it is 980 far. If it comes back, it's going to be a perfect entry. Like this entry is going to win an award because look at what happened. Let me show you the build up. I don't think it's building up on any 1 hour time frame or high time frame, but it's just building up on its own. It's called this low. It's called this high. I don't think it's building up on any high time frame. It's just building up on its own. Let's go to 4 hours time frame and see what is happening. It's not building up on the 4 hours time frame. It's just on its own. 1 hour. Nothing much. Then 15 minutes. I think 55 minutes build up mid Asia. It's just take out this land. It's just pre London. It's built up pre London, but it couldn't wait for us to. It couldn't build up. Okay, yeah, it immediately ate. I need to fix this my Asian range. Surely it's giving me negative times. Stop is supposed to be 200. Exactly. This was the thing that's confusing me. I would have entered at this point of interest at this point, but that's by the way. Like you're not going to cry over it. A missed trade is not something you should cry over. It's not the last trade that is going to come. So yeah, once some pullback to this point of interest or some entry point, then we can move in longs. Yeah. This remains the biggest win yet. This one of 120 40 pips remains the biggest win yet because more wins are going to come. I'm still trying to set this my camera. I don't know why it's showing like this. I don't know what I did and I still and by the way. So yeah, if DBSD comes back a little bit, I don't think this place is enough place for us to take an entry from here to downtown entries. How many pips? 8 pips, still huge. If you can get 5 pips and below, you can enter with instant execution. It's like 7 pips. If you can get to eight, if you can get to sorry, if you can get to 5 pips, then we can work with that, right? Yeah. So let's check our box where we're going to draw the box from here up above to this level. This is where the trading is going to be happening throughout today. Every trading throughout this week, throughout today is going to happen inside this box. Whether high or low, it won't pass this level. It won't come pass this day. So we have to be careful on the trades we are taking. So from here down is 6 pips. If I'm to take a trade, I will move in at this point of interest. At this point, yeah, we should move in at this point. Then change our stop loss to 25 pip stop loss. Let's see how it goes. 25 pip still gets our point, still get low. In fact, if price takes this low, that means we are wrong on this bias. If price ever, for any reason, takes this low, we are wrong on this bias. So we shouldn't. Let me check 20 pips where it's getting us to. 20 pips, okay, yeah, yeah, it's still fine. But I would like to give the buffer of from here. Okay, let's also at this point of at this point it's now 17 pips. 17 plus 5, 22 pips. Let's use 22. 5 pips after the low. Yeah. So if price comes to this low, we are wrong. Or price just want to do us ojoro. 22 pips stop loss, 1 to 2 R. And like my friends, you all know the build up. But one thing is that price often respects fair value gap. If you have watched my previous video, I always talk about fair value gaps and how it reacts. Most times price wouldn't come back. Most times price wouldn't come back at that point of interest. It just sells off, just buys off, sorry, from the fair value gap. Look at the gaps from here or from here. From here to here. I think this is a valid entry for us to move in, though it's kind of late entry. But so far you're covering the low. I'm not a fan of 2 pip stop loss, 1 pip stop loss. If it's covering the low, we are good to go. Right? Yeah. So far it's covering the low, we are good to go. Because if price comes back to this low, any of this low takes this low, then we'll accept our mistakes and then. So what are are we going to be having problems? This one's our first problem. This high, Asian highs, this Asian high, this other high that we also have problem with. And then if price successfully breaks these two highs, go and wait for price at this external liquidity. So let's enter on the DXY. DXY, our entry on DXY was at this point, short. Yeah, at this point. And our stop loss is about structure. So yeah. We're targeting this yeah, here. So I think this is the valid entry that we have. And then GU, let's see what GU does with DXY. I can't split this screen. If not, I would have nope. You know how the correlation works. But either ways, you understand the concept. So I'm trading live. Let me know if I'm still live. Yeah, I'm still live. I've been streaming for how many minutes? 20 minutes. So in the first 20 minutes, we got an entry. I couldn't help it. I said I don't want to be trading every day, but I couldn't help it because any day I come to the market, price presents an entry. Am I going to ignore it because I don't want to be trading every day? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think that's what I want to be doing. Well, either ways. So yeah, I think this is it. But I think look at what price is going to do. Price is going to show us a small momentum. I mean by small momentum, it's not going to be up to 50 pips or 30 pips. This my trade is at risk because I'm not sure it's going to get to TP before CPI. Sorry, NFP. NFP is coming by what time? NFP is coming 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Let me share it to my group. 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So if I'm you, I'm going to close my trade and then wait for. But if you're on a live account, you can risk it. Yeah. So we have to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. I'm not expecting huge move today. Sorry, before NFP. But if it comes, it comes. It's not something I'm going to be whining about, hoping that it pushes to my direction. Hope doesn't work here. What works here is skill, not like hope here. If you're hoping, you are wrong. So yeah, I think I will leave this stream now and then allow this trade to run, and I'll be back with you guys in a small time because I had to go and feed my dog. Freshen up. I'm coming back from the gym now, so I have to freshen up, feed my dog, and then come back for a full trading session. So please don't leave. Just stay behind. I'll be back right now. Yeah, you shouldn't leave this stream. We're not done yet. Unless you are done with knowing my entry pattern. But if you want to see how this trade runs out, you can just stay behind and also see how the XY affects. What the fuck? Nah, I wasn't expecting this move on DXY. Well, if this one is doing this, that means our trade is going to hit TP. But we have this. We have also have this point of interest. I want price to sweep this one and this one. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Bear with me, guys. Just bear with me. I'll be back in a few minutes. I think I'm back. I couldn't. Someone was doing what I wanted to do already, so it buys me time. So yeah, so I remember something when I was a kid. I'm thinking our first when I was still learning this strategy, learning everything. There was a time I was praying, God, please give me a profitable day. A profitable day. I used to take like 4 trades in a day, 5 trades in a day, and end up losing every single trade. You understand? I used to have losses, losing days back to back to back to back to back to back. So my prayer then was, I need a profitable day, profitable day, profitable day, profitable day. Just give me a profitable day, I'll be happy. I kept that as my goal. Watch how things works out. I now started understanding that there's nothing like a profitable day when you're taking more than 2 trades in a day. Because assuming you got the first trade win, second trade loss, third trade win, fourth trade loss, wipe everything. It is going to instinct that you are not profitable. Whereas you shouldn't be looking for profitable day. What you should be looking for is cutting your exposures on the market. I said this thing on my live stream and that was sorry. I said this on my YouTube channel, on my YouTube video, and I'll say it again. You have from here to here to make money in a single day. This is London Open. No, this is being far. This is London Open. This is New York close. From here to here is where you're going to make your money for the day. So tell me how you're going to take 4 trades inside this box. It doesn't make sense. Like in the head, it doesn't make sense. If you're going to take 4 trades in this box, what are you going to do the next day? If you're exposing yourself to 60 bars with huge risk, let's say for example, you have a $10,000 account and exposing yourself to 4 trades in a day. Bro, what can 4 trades leave for you the next day? I'm a fan of surviving is winning. If you survive today, tomorrow you move on. You understand? So if I'm taking a trade today, I'm still trying to have a buffer for tomorrow because I'm going to shop every day. I'm going to shop every freaking day. So if I'm exposing myself to all the risk I have for the week and exposing myself in a single day, taking 4 trades in a day is like taking my whole ass week in a single day, which is doesn't make sense. If I expose yourself to a single day with one trade approach, trust me, you will stop thinking about profitable day and start thinking about profitable week. And I started thinking about profitable week. I said, God, please, I need profitable week. Now I'm not thinking about profitable days because I know that looking for profitable days is like how do I put it? You know that the market is fluctuating up, down, up, down, up, down, down. So let me just say that Monday up, Tuesday up, Wednesday down, Thursday up, Friday up. This is showing a progressive career, a progressive. I know how to put it, but it's showing progress in your journal, in your account, in any way, it's showing progressive. So you should be looking for a profitable day. You can shift it to profitable months. Though I used to look for profitable weeks, like I would have like I had to close this week profitable because my strategy is created in a way that I don't I can't take more than 3 losses in a row because I trade every single day. I take one trade every single day, one trade, one trade, one trade, 5 trades in a week. So if taking 4 trades, if I'm taking 4 losses in a row, it means 4 days. You understand? It's just like having 4 days of losses. So I don't think I have ever seen that before. My highest losing streak since December is December, not December. Yeah, when I had the highest loss was on September. I was having a loss back to back to back to back to back. But on October, it changed. So since October till now, I've never had more than 2 losing streaks in a row. I don't think I have. You understand? So that's what I'm saying. So if you're exposing yourself to four trades in a day, you're making a huge mistake. I'm not saying that it's bad. Of course, yeah, we have high scalpers that used to like at the end of the training session, they'll be like, let's check and balance how much you have made and how much you have lost in a single day. I'm not that kind of person. I don't think I have the strength to be scalping every 1 minute time frame, every 2 minutes time frame, scalping, looking for trades. No, 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 no. I think that's beyond my uh capability. It's not what I can do. Like uh, I can't. It's too much on me. So that's it. But if you have a strategy that you know that at least it shows once a day. When I was creating this, I told someone that guy, my pattern shows every day. They was like, which one is every day? How can you be trading every day and making money every day? No pattern is 100%. I agree. But this is what I've seen. And I also say that the only reason that will make me take a loss is human factor. So what is human factor? Human factor is jumping the gun, entering unprepared trades, taking premature trades, not waiting for like to set the setup to be mature. Like okay, this is a human factor. This one now is a human factor. I had to put 25 fifty stop loss, and I went and put 20 fifty stop loss, and it stopped me out. This is only human factor. But if if you're going to show up every day and look for trades, trust me, you will say trade using my pattern. And I'm not saying this for you to, these guys have a trade. No, no, no. I'm just trying to show you how I have refined my edge. Tomorrow I might take a loss tomorrow, but if you look in between, there is something that you will say that you see a trade or no trade. So there are some trades that will form in your pattern, and you'll be like, this is my trade, this is my pattern, this is my trade, I will take it and boom, take profit. This is my trade, this is my pattern, and I will take it, boom, stop loss. It happens. Like your trade show up every day doesn't mean that you're going to win every day. Some trade, like sometimes market will tell you that I know this is your pattern, I know this is your strategy, I know this is everything for you, but you have to take this loss. This is the pure gospel. There's no how. That's not, I don't know how to put this again. This is the pure gospel. This is the raw truth about trading. This is your pattern. Market will say, okay, I know this is your pattern. I know this is your strategy, but you have to take a loss. That is where the word comes from. Losses are inevitable. You can't hide from it. Just be ready. You understand? So that's just, I think, my point of view. So yeah, that's that's it. So today I will just use today as a psychology class, not about trading, because honestly I'm exhausted taking all this trade this week. Yesterday I was telling someone that I'm traumatized this week because look at this one time I dreamed of taking trades every day and winning those trades. I planned, I prayed for this day. I think I've made history on my life, in my life. So that is it. So honestly, my pattern of trading isn't that hard. I believe that I was it's it's discipline here, because there was a time I was, backtesting every single day from morning till evening, backtesting. If I'm tired, I will lie down, wake up, backtest again. If I'm tired, I will eat, wake up, like every single day for 1 week. And I think this is where it got us to. I can't backtest again now. No, I can't backtest. The job is for you to go and backtest, not for me. Because looking at the price, look at, do you know how long it took me to get this entry? This entry. It's not 1 minute. I just came back from gym on my live stream. I was like, what? This is an entry. I moved in immediately. Other people has moved in at this point of interest. At this point, I was like, nah, I'm moving in. This has a very huge potential. I said to myself, this has a very huge potential. I've already entered the trade before I saw the signal in my group that sell GBUSD, that kind of a thing. So I was already ahead. But that's where discipline, that's where consent can get you to. I'm not going to be drawing some crazy like lines, BSL, SSL, like all those crazy terminology. I'm not going to be using that because honestly, I believe that keeping it simple is the one that is going to get you to where you're going to. So that's it, guys. I believe that you get to this level also to feel what I'm feeling. Like I always say, any that are going to have um a huge news, that is going to be boring. First of all, the New York London session is going to be very boring. London is going to be boring, but the New York, that's where the action starts. So yes, I'm going to go take some shower and then I'll be back because this laptop is slowly going down. Live stream is at 44 minutes. So but the battery is going down and live stream at 44 minutes and I will come back and then give you the final notes on this trade and what I'm going to do with it. Just stay back and don't leave. Let's watch this one closely. Yeah, I'm back. So this one is running to our TP. I didn't expect this move. I was expecting a huge momentum during NFP, but it's doing otherwise. It's moving at this moment. So yeah, it's pushing up. It's taking that this level, I think. I just one moment I'll be going on. If I'm on live, I'll be going on break even on this at this moment. So yeah, I think I'll be signing off on this live stream. I want to be here watching this. You guys have seen how I interpret, and yeah, so I think that is pretty much of it. So you can do whatever you want to do with the trade, and yeah, that is it. I want to go play Call of Duty. I don't know what to do with my time again. I don't know what to do with my life again. I'm just going to go and play COD. Yeah. So that is it. I can do whatever I want to do with the trade. It's at almost 1 hour. I'm going to be signing off this live stream and go ahead and do whatever I want to do with my time. So, guys, if you're new to my channel, I do this every day, and you can, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and then we'll see you next week. Bye bye.